Hello friends, welcome to my this video. Today we are going to solve another example under exercise 4.4, and that is question number 2 and 2. Okay, so what it is asked here. यहाँ पे लिखे find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. Okay, यहाँ पे दो क्वेश्चन है, दोनों क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है, दोनों में k है. k का वैल्यू निकालने के लिए बोला है. We need to find the value of k, but condition is that दोनों क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का इक्वल रूट्स है. Both the equations have two equal roots. Okay. So हम लोग तीन कंडीशन हमको मिले थे. जो depending on the value of b square minus 4ac, we have three conditions of, we had three conditions of nature of roots. Okay, so if we found earlier in my video, we can refer to my earlier video. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots are equal. Okay, and b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then there is no real roots. And if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then there will be two distinct real roots. Okay, so in this case, यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? In this case, it is given that they have two equal roots. मतलब ये दोनों quadratic equation का दो रूट सेम है, इक्वल है. तो वो हम लोग का कंडीशन क्या था? इफ बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज इक्वल टू 0, देन रूट्स आर इक्वल. यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? रूट्स आर इक्वल. तो अल्टीमेटली ऑब्वियसली बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इज इक्वल टू 0 होगा. उल्टा कर दिया. इफ a इज फादर ऑफ b, obviously b is son of father. Obviously b will be son of a. A is father of b, then obviously ulta b will be son of a. Same case, यहाँ पे b square, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots are equal. But यहाँ पे क्या बोला है? Roots are equal. Hence, b square minus 4ac will be 0. So with this condition, we need to calculate the value of k. Okay. So question is question number 2. So here quadratic equation is in some other formats. It is not in the standard format. So we need to convert it to standard format. For that, we need to simplify this expression first. Okay. So what it is? Kx is multiplied by x minus 2. That is what it means. Kx is multiplied by x, kx is multiplied by 2. So if we multiply kx into x, then that what it will be? Kx squared. Okay, so obviously it is we have already got this condition, multiplication of expression. Okay, so if kx is multiplied by x, then kx will be multiplied by 2, so that will be twice kx. Okay, then plus 6 is equal to 0. This up to this you have learned in class 8 itself. Okay, so now this is a quadratic equation because here is x square is available. Well, highest power of the variable is 2. Okay, this is quadratic equation. So here a is the term associated with x square is a. So here the term associated with k, x square is k. So a का value होगा k. Okay. Then b will be obviously minus the term associated with x, that is twice k. Okay. Then term without x, that is here it is 6. So that will be c is equal to 0. Okay, so we have found ABC, the value of ABC. Okay, so now we'll apply the condition. Okay, So we will apply the condition. What is the condition? Condition is since it has two equal roots. Hence क्या होगा? b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Okay, so b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 होगा. If a is father of b, so b will be son of a. Okay, b will be son of a. Just the simple condition. Okay, so now we'll put this value of BAC. So b is minus twice k. The value of b is minus twice k. This is b square. b का value minus twice k. b के ऊपर में square है, तो this whole thing के ऊपर square होगा. Okay, then this minus. Okay, 4. What is the value of k? Sorry, the value of a is k. What is the value of c? Okay, c का value क्या है? C का value is C का value is 6, because the term without x is c, so here it is 6. Okay, so c का value is 6. तो c का value क्या होगा? 6 पढ़ना पड़ेगा. This equal will be here, then it will be 0. Okay, so now if we solve this, if we simplify this, it will be how it will be? This will be minus 2 whole square will be 4. Okay, square is also above the k, so this will be 4k square, then minus 4. We can multiply 4 and 6. 4 6 will be 24. Then k is here is equal to 0. Okay, so what we can further do? Here it is 4, here it is 24. If we divide it by 4, if we divide this by 4, then this will be k square. If we divide this by 4, then you need to divide this by 4 also. The 24 by 4 will be 6, k will be there, is equal to 0 divided by 4 will be 0. Okay, then another thing is, here is k square, here is k, here is 0. If we divide it by k, then this will be k. For one step we can write like this for your easy understanding. 6k. Whole thing in the left side of equal is divided by k. Then whole thing in the right side of equal should be divided by k. Okay, this is easy mathematics. Main condition we have already applied. So this will be divided by this. K square will be divided by k, so that will be k. Then minus 6k will be divided by k, that will be 6, is equal to 0 will be divided by k, that is 0. So k is equal to will be 6. Okay, so this is the solution. So for this question number 2, for if the value of k is 6, then if the value of question number 2, if the value of k is 6, then the equation will have equal roots. Okay, so वही है, उल्टा हम लोग को यहाँ पे रूट्स आर इक्वल बोला था, के का वैल्यू निकालने के लिए बोला था, ठीक है। तो रूट्स आर इक्वल मीन्स b square minus 4ac is 0. Roots are equal means what? B square minus 4ac is 0. So in this equation we will put the abc value and then we have found the value of k. That means अगर इस इक्वेशन में अगर k का वैल्यू हम 6 डाल देंगे तो जो quadratic equation will get, that quadratic equation will have equal roots. Okay, so that's all friends for today. If you have liked, you have understood, please press the like button, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends, and if you सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि जब तक मैं वीडियो डालूँ आपके पास आ जाए, ठीक है। ओके, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, टिल देन बाय बाय, थैंक यू।